In this video, I am going to show you how to make a Hulu account. For this, open the Hulu application. Click on hulu.com/next. Hit continue. Click on create account. Click on any account you want. I'll choose Bundle Basic. Select. Type in your email address. Hit continue. Confirm your email address. Type in your password. Type your name, your birth date, and your changes. Click on agree and continue. After typing the password, hit continue. Now you can add your billing information and stream on Hulu easily. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe.